Hi there, this is Brian with BS Tech Networks. Today I'm bringing to you a video tutorial on how to manage the basic products on your e-commerce website that BS Tech Networks created for you. This is all done through the administrative console of your website, so if you have not received a username and a password from us to access the site, please get in contact with us and we will get that sent over to you. In this customer's case, we already have set up the e-commerce portion of their site and added a few products, and so we have logged in and are at the dashboard. Down here you have products and you have several different items. You've got products, add product, categories, and then some other items on here. In this video we're simply going to be showing you how to manage pretty simple products that don't need any drop-down menus or anything like that. So in this case, as noted, we have already created a couple products, so I'm going to click on the products item, and you can see that there are 3 items in here. So to update your products, very simple, you would just go in here and click on the link to edit it. There also is the ability to trash it. If you no longer want this product on your site, you would just click the trash button. So we're going to go ahead and edit this product to show you what you can do. The first thing up here is the product name. This is how it's going to appear on your website and also during the checkout process in their shopping cart. So ensure that it's something fairly simple and that it does indicate what the product is. Next, you can then actually put in the material or the information about the product in here. So this would be any specifications, maybe if you wanted to put some links to some different web pages that provide more information about it, whatever you wanted to do. But this is going to be the description of the product that people would read and determine whether that's what they're looking for or it's not. As we scroll down a little more, we have some more options here. So we have the product data. The default is simple product, and that's what we're going to keep it as. They're also virtual and downloadable, but we're not going to cover those in this section. In essence, that would be products that are not tangible or things that you could actually download from the website right after they pay for it. But in this case, it's for products that we're going to be selling and shipping to the customer. There is an option here for a SKU number. If you have specific SKU numbers to help for inventory management, you can put that here. Regular price, that would be the regular price of the item, and there also is a sale price. Even further than that, you have a schedule where you can put in a specific schedule for when this item would be on sale. So that way you can set it once and pretty well forget it, so you don't have to come in here and disable the sale. It would automatically do that when that time is up. So the regular price would show on the page, but if you put a sale price in there, then the regular price would have a cross mark through it, and then the sale price would show up. So that way it would kind of show individuals on your website how much they're saving or how much the item is on sale for. Next is tax status. It's very important that these are usually set to taxable, especially if you're selling goods, because of course each state has their own sales tax. If you sell something to somebody within your state, you have to collect and charge sales tax. Most in other states you don't have to, although the times are changing with that and more states are requiring that you would also possibly collect the sales tax as well. Over here, let's see, if we scroll down a little bit, you've got your featured image. This is the image that's going to show on your products page. So of course it's the featured image. You can add more pictures to allow people to see different sides of the product or different angles, things like that, and that's done under your product gallery. So add product gallery images, we click on that, and then we have the ability to choose multiple graphics here. If you just click on them, you see that it only puts a checkbox next to one. But if you hold down your control key and then click on another one, now you see that it's got check marks on both of them. So as you continue to hit control and click, it will allow you to select multiple items or multiple pictures to add for this product. Now we're not going to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and X out. Otherwise, you just hit the Add to Gallery button down there, and then that would show additional pictures for that product. Scrolling up a little more, back to the actual info for the product. You can also do inventory tracking here. So if we click on inventory, it will show you the status, in stock or out of stock. Shipping, you can put your weight in, length, width, and height. That way, if you're using an automatic shipping calculator, that would be an extra feature that you can add on to the site. Then this information would be sent to the calculator to properly calculate the shipping cost. Linked products, if you wanted to try to show other products on the page to kind of upsell or say, hey, oh, by the way, this is also a featured product, or this is a product that's similar, then you can also do that in here, where you can start typing in a couple of letters. I'm going to put in pre, and then that shows you 3 products that have the word pre in them, and then I can click on them to make that appear as a upsell or a cross-sell. That pretty much is it for adding simple products to your website. So you can go through and do these pretty quickly. Of course, after you make any changes, you'll hit the update button. Now if we want to add a product, I'm just going to go ahead and hit add product over here on the side. And this gives us a clean slate to start with. So you would put in your product name, put in your description down here. You can see simple product is selected already. Put a SKU in if needed, regular price, sale price. If you want to set a schedule for that sale, you can do so there. Taxable is automatically selected. So in essence, when you're actually setting the products up, you can just put in the name or the title up there, put in your description, put in your price. If you have a shipping calculator, make sure to come in here and change the shipping information. Scroll down, hit set featured image. That will allow you to then choose an image for this item. And there it appears, product gallery. If we wanted to add more pictures, I'm going to control and click on a few here, hit add to gallery, and there they show up there. And then that's it, and publish. So you can really go through here and add these products pretty quickly. Now, one thing to also note is that you can add these to product categories. Now in this case for the customer, we do not have any categories specified. If there were categories, they would appear in this box. If you need to create a new category, you can do so here. So that just allows you to categorize or organize your products in a better manner for your customers, especially if you have dozens or even hundreds of products on your site. You don't want them all to be on one page. You want to somehow organize them so that way it's easy for customers. So if you've got electronics as one category, shoes as another category, just depending on how you want to do it. But you would be able to go through here. Again, it's not shown on this page since we don't have any categories for this customer site, and you would be able to check boxes next to the categories that you want this picture to be, excuse me, not picture, the product that you want it to be in. So that takes care of product management on your website. If you have any questions about this, certainly feel free to get in contact with us at BSN Tech Networks, and we'll help you out with any questions you have. Our website is bsntech.com. All right, thanks again for watching, and this is Brian with BSN Tech Networks.